Pradesh Muzaffarnagar district, a 20-year-old man named Muzahid Alex that he underwent a sex change surgery without his consent. Muzahid claimed that he was sedated by a man named Om Prakash and transported to a local medical college hospital. According to Muzahid, Om Prakash colluded with doctors at Begrajpur Medical College in Mansoorpur to perform the surgery on June 3rd. Muzahid said that when he woke up, Om Prakash told him that he was now a woman and threatened to take him to Lucknow to marry him. He also threatened harm to his father if he resisted. Muzahid stated as a report by India Today. Muzahid's father asserted that the surgery was conducted without his permission, alleging that the doctors were complicit in Om Prakash's scheme. In response, doctors at Begrajpur Medical College have denied Muzahid's allegation, asserting that the surgery was conducted with Muzahid's full consent. Om Prakash was arrested on June 16 following a complaint filed by Muzahid's father. The incident has sparked public outrage promoting the Bharatiya Kisan Union (BKU) to stage protest outside the medical college. BKU leaders have accused the hospital of engaging in illegal activities, including organ trade. Farm leader Shyampal said there seems to be a large-scale racket operating here, where vital organs are removed from patients and sold at exorbitant price. Also demanded 2 crore compensation from the government for Muzahid. Investigation into the matter are ongoing, with concern about ethics and consents at the forefront of public scrutiny. Muzahid is not the first one. Cases similar to Muzahid have occurred in various parts of the world. Although the specific number can vary due to reporting and documentation challenges, instances of non-consensual surgeries or medical procedures, including sex reassignment surgeries, are not uncommon globally. These cases often involve vulnerable individuals who may be concerned or deceived into undergoing procedures against their will. In response to specific incidents like Muzahid case in Uttar Pradesh, the government typically initiates immediate investigations, addresses public concern through statements, and take steps to prevent similar occurrences in the future. Public outcry and pressure from civil society organizations often influences the speed and extent of government responses in such cases.